Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see what is meant by views in data dictionary. So, in the previous lecture, we have already seen what are the ALV reports, how to create an ALV report. So, let us see the agenda first. We are going to see what is meant by views, how to create a view, and what are different types of views. So, we will see what is meant by views. Views is a collection of fields from multiple tables. But views does not store the data physically, and whenever view is executed or a user click on a view button, it gets displayed the data by selecting from a multiple tables. And to connect two or more than two tables, we require a join condition, on which we will see in the next lecture. So let us see the steps to create a view button. Very first, go to the ABAP dictionary initial screen using T code SE11. Then this type of screen will get open. Simply click on a view button and give the table name, like I have provided one example like Z inner table. So provide the table name and click on a create button. After creating on a create button, our view will get create. We will get access to the views. Then thereafter, let us see what are the different types of views. So after clicking on a create button, we will get access to this type of screen which says that choose a view type, where it will shows all the types of views, like we have database view, projection view, maintenance view, and help view. Whichever view we want to create, just click on that view and click on copy button. We will get access to that view. So in the next lecture, we are going to see what are the joins in data dictionary and different joins in data dictionary.